you can cut it up like this. It's very simple, it's very useful, especially to start a song. Hi everybody and welcome back on a new vlog. Today it's a quick tip because I'm flying to Holland, and before that I think I'm gonna show you a quick tip how you can easily start with your drums in a track, or what you can do with a drum loop so you make your drum loop your own. I've got this, it's the simple starting tablet, and it goes a little bit like this. It's a simple kick, bass and a drum loop, but as you can hear there is a bass in the, or a kick in the drum loop. So I'm gonna take that one out because I want to have more control over my own drum loop. You see, with the EQ you can find more like this. You have the snare in that. It depends what you want to do with it. For now it's okay, I leave it like that. And then what I normally do is I select one region, and as you can see you have the separate parts here. This is the kick, I'm gonna cut that one out. If you press the Alt sign, you see there is coming a plus sign, and it's gonna cut everywhere over the whole loop where you want to cut. Look at this, and now there is everywhere a cut where I selected. You can do it everywhere, but for me now it's just I want to remove the kicks. So and I'm gonna select them all and remove the kicks like this, and now we have and I hear you think, but listen, with everything and we can put a little bit reverb on there. And what I normally do is also I select them all because I made a cut. I just do here a fade in and a fade out, just small ones, so you prevent the clicks and the pops what can appear with when you make a cut. So just to prevent the clicks and the pops. And of course we can go to Splice and find something else. That was the loop I used. I think we're gonna try this one just to make some extra groove. Put them in there. Place the loop indicator where you want to time stretch the loop too. Of course, given the right color, because my colors are always pink. And now you see this loop is 25 BPM, so I make him the same length, and I have to color it again because it's changed. So now we have something like this. And of course we can do here the same. If you say, just make some smaller. I want to cut this one out. This one. We want to cut this one out. Just checking if I do this one right. No, I have to do it like that, I think. Is this more right? No. Okay, I'm gonna do this one different because something like this. And what we do, of course, is the fade out and the fade in. Oh, we have to select all of them. So we do the fade out and the fade in to prevent clicks and pops. And then it sounds a little bit like this. And you can do, to make some space in the mix, we go to where it is, the whitener. It's a free plugin, and we can. And of course we can do a little bit of, normally you can put the space designer on a bass and then you do it like you only have to use one space designer to give the same reverb to the drums, but for now it's a little bit quicker. It's too much. This is without. And this is with the reverb. They learned me, and I think that's a very nice way to try things out. Just put a lot of reverb on there and then pull it back till you hear it or just don't hear it. And if you think it's enough, I always put a little bit more back so I know for sure it's not too much. And that's a simple way how you can cut up drum loops, but you can do it also with other loops, with vocals or with lead sounds, or if you have a nice piano loop, you can cut it up like this. It's very simple, it's very useful, especially to start a song. If you don't know where to start, just start like that. Put some loops in there, cut them up and try stuff out. You can try just to use a little bit of one loop just to give you an idea where you want to go or how you want to start a groove. and from there you can go further and further, just building up everything. Hope you liked the video. Subscribe to the channel, give me a thumbs up, and I hope to see you back. Enjoy!